What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's Captain Friday and today I'm going to be doing an introduction video and also kind of a tutorial video for people who want to make a channel but are not really prepared to do so. If that's what you're looking for, you've clicked on the right video. So remember to subscribe. I only have 51 subscribers, so please subscribe, I really like it. And also hit that like button, turn on post notifications, and yeah, let's get into the video. So during quarantine, I was really bored, so that's why I decided to come up with my channel, and my first video got 22,000 views, which I'm really lucky to get, and my second one got about like 8,000 views or 7.7 thousand, and I'm also really fortunate to get that. I like making videos on cooking and gaming and all that sorts of stuff, and my siblings come into my videos sometimes, and I also have a contest, so you guys can comment down below a video idea that you have, and I'll be choosing one of them for one of my future videos. So if you have any YouTube idea, just comment down below, just scroll down and comment it down below, and I will choose the one that I like the most as the video for a future video. So I will make a future video based on the winning idea that you comment down below there. I really enjoy editing and I really enjoy photoshopping. That's why I can do this. And I really like adding memes like this guy and this guy. So that was the introduction for this channel. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to make a YouTube channel. If you guys are getting confused and if you don't really know how to make a channel, you guys are at the right place. I'll teach you everything step by step. So first of all, you need to have a Google account, and you can easily make that by going to sign in, and then there should be something that says create account there, and once you create that account, just go into YouTube, just search up YouTube, and then you should be able to create a channel. Click on your profile picture, should be able to create a channel, and right over there is where you would be able to post your videos and everything you want to do. So you can name your channel whatever you want, whatever you like. You can even name it your name, your own name, or something, just something random like my name. I mean, I really like Fridays, so I just decided to be the captain of them. I'm not sure if my name makes sense, but I intentionally misspelled Friday. After that, you could just use your phone to record, or if you're doing something like gaming, there are many free recording softwares out there. For editing softwares, you can use iMovie if you're on Mac, or you could use Windows Movie Maker. Both of them are free. I'm using a old editing software which was made in like 2012. I'm not sure if many people use it in 2021, but that's what I use. To get ideas, just brainstorm some ideas and scroll through YouTube and look at what's trending so you know what type of videos to make. For music, there are many ways you can get music. If you go onto YouTube and search no copyright music, there's a whole channel for no copyright music, no copyright sounds. There are many channels with amazing music. I use most of my music from No Copyright Sounds. Or if you go into your channel and go into the YouTube audio library, there are a list of many songs that you can get, and there's just a wide range of songs you can get just from YouTube. You don't have to pay any money. It's absolutely free. Comment down below your video ideas and smash that like button. Please subscribe. See you guys later.